Good morning, welcome to Turn 2 on Tuesday the 15th of April. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the euro dollar first, and yesterday we ended up with a gap between the close on Friday and the open yesterday. Seemed part of that gap closed. There is a possibility we could at some point go back and close that gap. We've also got an upside target of 136.29, which is not that far actually from where we are at the moment. It's just the upper bands here, the 8 moving average, 4 hourly 8 moving average as well, somewhere in that region. Now we could push up beyond that level and try for the gap fill, although you could argue that from the lows on Friday to the highs yesterday, the gap was effectively filled. It's or near enough. It's only a minute gap still there, so I'm not going to become too transfixed by it, but it's that there is that gap. To the downside, in terms of support, we've got the 4 hourly 50 MA, which is the obvious target. If it does continue in this sort of bearish looking pattern here, we're in a bit of a bear flag at the moment. If it was to break the lows, we could see that 50 MA as an easy target to the downside, which is next level of support. Okay, that's euro dollar. Looking at the pound dollar, again very choppy. No gaps yesterday with the pound dollar. No intraday target because it just chopped all day yesterday. We've got just there was a pivot swing leading into yesterday on Friday's close yesterday, so a continuation of that. It may, if it starts breaking down from these lows here and through yesterday's spike there, maybe we'll see the 50 tested, the 4 hourly 50 here tested, and then maybe it'll push further lows. Not significant support below that 50. It's a pretty open sort of area down to until we get down to 166.61. Okay, some key news this morning for the pound is the CPI figure at 9:30. We've seen some increased volatility around this number of late, so we'll be watching that quite closely. Side of that, really, we've got the US inflation figure at 130, but we've already been seen that the most of the Fed committee have become quite dovish, so I can't see that creating too much volatility. So that's it for today. Hope you have a great one. Bye for now.